introduction. I am extremely happy to be hosting the first show of this term, and I'm very grateful for the VP Education to give me this opportunity. At this point, I would like to give a big shout out to our past ExCom and the current ExCom. And to unravel the theme of the meeting, I would like to play a quick mashup from the songs of the albums and movies we like. While I play this mashup, I want all of you guys to switch your videos on and enjoy this song that I play for you all. MTM, be ready to be filmed for the first show of this term. Videos on, guys!
My love, but more like a brother. I know you since we were like 10. Yeah.
Videos on, everyone! I can't see anybody dancing, come on!
Here we go, not long ago, when you would walk on the south. Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I...
Thank you very much for your wonderful participation. I am extremely happy for such a warm participation from all of you all. Now, movies about a person. If you ask anybody about their three favorite films, you will be able to know personality. For example, my three favorite films are Interstellar, Into the Wild, and Masan, which means I like science and fiction and serious emotion. We can also draw parallels between a movie and our own life. Because when I saw Dear Zindagi, I thought it was me featuring in the movie. No, I'm not Alia Bhatt, but the story was so similar. Movies depict the reality of life. They are also capable of transporting us to an imaginative world of possibilities. A movie, therefore, is not just 2 hours of entertainment, but a canvas of inspiration and creative expression. Just as how we creatively express ourselves through our speeches. In order to learn about different movies, why people like the movies that they like, to inspire creative expression, and to celebrate this canvas of creativity, I've chosen this theme called Movie Flicks. I hope you enjoy this theme today and our first show of Movie Flicks question. And I would like to call upon a member for that. Can I have a member, please? Can I have a member raise their hands? Zumasa, do we have anybody raising their hands?
Gargi's raised the hand. Oh, okay. And
Great. I'll have Gargi answer this. So, Gargi, can you hear me?
Gargi, unmute yourself.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Perfect. Now, Gargi, tell us about your favorite movie. And also, if you had the chance to change the climax of any one movie, which movie would that be and what would you change the climax to?
Okay, so if I talk about Bollywood, then Ranjana, and I would like Sonam Kapoor to be dating Abhay Deol only at the end and get married to him, not Dhanush. So yeah.
Okay. Wonderful. Thank you, Gargi. Moving on, in a movie, the actors play an integral part to bring forward the vision of the director. In the same way, our key speakers will play an integral part today to fulfill the mission of Toastmasters. For the benefit of the guests, the meeting will have 3 main segments. Prepared speeches will be the first segment. In this segment, members prepared in advance will deliver a speech based on the objectives of their pathways. The second segment will be table topics. This is an impromptu speaking segment wherein a topic will be given to you and you will have to speak for 1-2 minutes. Guests, please watch out for this segment as you can most definitely participate. The third segment will be evaluation speeches. In this segment, evaluators will evaluate prepared speeches to share their crisp feedback and recommendations for the benefit of the prepared speakers. Now, just as a movie cannot be made without a director, cinematographer, and a producer, in the same way, a Toastmaster meeting cannot be conducted without a tag team, which is the timers, the art counter, and the grammarian. Every minute of the movie matters, and so does every minute of the speech. Our first timer for today says, the members don't need his introduction, but for the guests, he is someone who is very happy and energetic and loves to spread joy to people. His favorite movie is Fast and Furious 5 because of the brotherly bond between Dominic and Brain, which shows that family is the best thing that helps you in life. Please put your hands together and help me welcome our first timer for today, Toastmaster Vineet. Toastmaster Vineet, over to you. Speech, I would like to share an interesting fact with you. Did you know that the first movie ever was not made? It was invented. Yes, you heard it right. It was invented using a technology called as motion photography, in which multiple cameras click pictures at the exact moment, and then these clicks are assembled in a single motion picture. Isn't that brilliant? This 30-second movie was named as The Horse in Motion and was invented by Edward Muybridge in the year 1878. It's available on YouTube. In the interest of time, I would like to move to the next segment. But wait, wouldn't it be boring if I directly move to the next segment? Well, it's time for some fun. And before we move to the next segment, I'm going to play Guess the Movie quiz with you. The one who answers quickest and the most number of questions gets a surprise at the end of the day. Have everybody voted for the best speaker first?
Yes, thank you.
Great. Can we unmute Toastmaster Ramanand and spotlight him, please? I would like to welcome our very special member, Toastmaster Ramanand, to say a dialogue in a filmy style. And we all guess this movie. Toastmaster Ramanand, over to you.
All right, so this is how you stonewall a ransom. 50 लाख? 50 लाख कहाँ से लाएंगे हम? आपको प्लान ही गलत है, हाँ? आपने बाप को किडनैप किया और बेटी से मांगा. आपको बेटी को किडनैप करना चाहिए था और बाप से मांगना चाहिए था. प्लान ही गलत है आपका. लगता है कच्चा खिलाड़ी है.
Members and guests, please raise your hands to guess. Okay, I have. Okay, I'm going to allow Adesh to answer this question. Can we unmute him, please? Yes, Adesh.
It is very obvious, the amazing movie Andaz.
Okay, the amazing movie. What was it? Sorry, I didn't hear it.
Andaz Apna.
Okay, great. You're right, Toastmaster Adesh. We wanted to make it easy in the beginning. Now, can we have another dialogue, Toastmaster Ramanand? Any dialogue.
मेरा छाती फोड़ा. साले का खोपड़ी तोड़ साले का.
Okay, raise your hands, please. Adesh, I can't give you the turn. Please, I want all the members and guests to participate. At the end of the meeting, there's a giveaway. There's a very big surprise. Okay, I'll allow Toastmaster Mohsin to answer this question. Please unmute Toastmaster Mohsin.
Is it Hera Fairy?
Yes, that's right. All right. The last question of this quiz is, it's a very simple question. I'm sure all of you all will be able to answer this. For which film did Leonardo DiCaprio win an Oscar for the best actor? Any raise of hands? Okay, I'll let our VP Education Dimple answer this question.
The Revenant?
Yes, that's correct. Great. Thank you guys for this wonderful participation. Moving on, we have the table topics segment.
Sorry,
What's the
Ankita,
special?
sorry to interrupt you. There were some people who did not get a chance to vote, so I'm going to relaunch the polls. Everybody who's voted or hasn't voted in the first round, please re-vote in this round. I apologize for this. And
Sure,
we're
no
on to the
worries.
polling now.
Audience, please vote for the best prepared speaker.
The co-host will not be able to see the polls. Everybody else.
Very much. What is a movie without its critic? In the same way, what is a speech without evaluation? This is the last leg of our meeting today. But before I invite our general evaluator, I know it's time, but you guys have to hear this out. We have a seasoned Toastmaster say a twisted dialogue in which a few words will be changed and we all have to guess the movie. But Toastmaster Adesh has a problem. Well then, let's listen to his problem. Zoom Master, can we please spotlight and unmute Toastmaster Adesh? Over to you, Adesh.
Adesh, please unmute yourself.
Yeah. So I have a problem with evaluators. And problem ये है कि वो evaluator है. और क्या problem है यार? Problem ये मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरी स्पीच में कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो, लेकिन अगर मेरी स्पीच में कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो ना तो ये उसकी इवैल्यूएशन की सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. एंड वी से इवैल्यूएटर हेल्प अस जब हमारी स्पीच खराब होती है. जब मेरी स्पीच खराब होती है ना, उसे तो सेलिब्रेट करना चाहिए, बिकॉज दिस इज एग्जैक्टली माय इवैल्यूएटर वांट्स. सीरियसली यार, आजकल जब भी मेरा इवैल्यूएटर मुंह खोलता है ना, मन करता है कि मुंह में उसके कुछ ठूस दूं. ट्रस्ट मी यार, एक साल में आई हैव इवैल्यूएशन शीट पड़े ना, अगर मैं उनको बेचने जाऊं तो महीने का राशन निकल आए. हम कहते हैं ना, behind every successful speaker there is an evaluator. True. But कोई ये नहीं बताता कि behind every unsuccessful speaker there is also an evaluator. This is ridiculous यार. And by the way, yesterday I evaluated one speech also. So evaluators, please don't mind me. It was just a play. And now you guys have to guess this dialogue, which is from one of the very famous movie.
Any raise of hands? Vineet, we are not giving you a chance. You're the timer. Can anybody else please raise their hands?
Yeah, and also you have to guess the character name, okay? The character.
Okay, we have Parag. Can we unmute Parag, please, quickly in the interest of time?
It's Pyar Ka Panchnama.
Yes, that's correct. Thank you, Parag. Now, may I call upon our general evaluator, who is a final year management student at St. Xavier's. His favorite movie is Kal Ho Na Ho, and this is because it made him cry. If given a chance, he would like to feature in Tare Zameen Par, because he could relate to this movie at another level. Please help me in welcoming our general evaluator for today, Toastmaster Lekhabra, and the tag team players. I'll just move ahead with my next section, which is inviting Amrit to do the award distribution while we all vote for the best speakers. But what is creative expression without its appreciation? We all know the importance of Academy Awards and Filmfare Awards. But before we give away the awards, I want to play a quick movie flicks rapid fire with Amrit. So Amrit, I'm going to ask you quick questions, and the only rule to this round is that you can't take time to think. So with that, your first question is, name any 3 Hollywood or Bollywood movies starting with the alphabet K.
कुछ कुछ होता है, कहो ना प्यार है.
You can't take time to think.
क्योंकि दिल है कि मानता नहीं. No.
Okay, fine. Okay, it's okay. We'll move on to the next question, which is, if you were the director of an already made movie and you could cast anybody from MTM, who would you choose and for which role?
I would pick Jeevan in any role played by Dwayne Johnson.
Perfect. Apparently that's his favorite actor too. One of his favorite actors, if I may say so. The third question for you, Amrit, is name any one movie that helped you learn something new.
It has to be Kung Fu Panda. I think I am.
Great. I love that movie too. I agree. Perfect.
And, yeah.
On that note, I would like to hand over the